in the yams. Yeah, you know we touring blocks. I'ma pull up in a lamb. Lil Dita, he not active. If he dissing on Lil Naughty, spin the block and kill his bastard. Roll a dead out, then we fucking sister after. Got the switches in the yams. Yeah, you know we touring blocks.